Good morning guys and welcome to my channel. Today we are prepping this Astra. I had this car since I think October, but I've been using it for work because it's got a brilliant MPG, but now it's time to sell it. The car is very dirty, as you can see. Not sure if you can see it in the video, but look at that. Jesus. So I've got this for £2,200. Bought it privately from Facebook Marketplace. He had an ABS light on the dashboard. That's why I got it so cheap. But luckily it was just a sensor, which I've done it myself. So I've called a garage, well, not from my area because they were all busy. So I called a garage and they said they have to change the whole wheel hub or something like that, and they quoted me about £400. And I said, well, that can't be right. I'm sure it's just a speed sensor. And I bought that for £13 off eBay or Euro Car Parts, I can't remember. Euro Car Parts, yeah. And I changed it myself. It was probably a 20-minute job, very easy to do. And that's it. The car doesn't need anything. It's been through the MOT. I've done the MOT in December. And I've just done a 50-point inspection check last week and a fresh service, and the car is good to go. It doesn't need any work done, well, beside the body work, cleaning the car and tidying up. I mean, look at that. This is shocking. But yeah, it's a lovely car. I've done probably about 5,000 miles in this, and I'm really happy with it. So that's the benefit of being a car trader, you get free motoring. So I just need to empty the car of my belongings. As you can see, got lots of stuff around here, obviously cleaning products and all that. I'm not sure if you guys know, I used to work in a COVID center and we used to work outside, so I always needed extra gloves, extra hats. Now, one thing I want to point at is the interior is not bad. It's not bad, obviously needs a good clean. But I've put the dressing on in, can't remember, December or November. And look, it looks really nice. So I'm gonna give it a clean anyway. Those are my feet warmers. Yeah, and those need a good clean. Look at that. The seats are okay. There are a few stains. I'm not sure if you can see it in the video, but I'll get that sorted. I just need to take all my stuff out. So I'm gonna start with the exterior and take it from there. On here I just done some touch-up paint, which it looks pretty good. It looks really good, better than expected. So I ordered one of those from eBay, which doesn't require a lacquer, so it's all in one, it's mixed, and I think it's really good. I mean, it's a used car. If the customer is not happy with that, I'll get it painted, but I don't think they'll be too fast, especially these scratches. After I go once with the polish, with the polishing machine, it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. So I think it's gonna have a massive transformation, this car, after it's all done. I hope you guys enjoyed my new intro. I start by rinsing the car. I add some braid and snow into my very advanced foam cannon, which is a bit embarrassing, but it does the job a little bit. One thing you guys need to know about me, that I'm very clumsy, so I spill stuff, I drop stuff, So you're gonna see that a lot in my videos. After I apply the snow foam, I let it sit for a couple of minutes and then rinse. In a bucket, I add 2 caps of brain dead shampoo and then I fill the bucket with water. And then I just wash the car thoroughly. Someone in the comment section advised me to use grit guard, but to be honest with you, I've never scratched the car and it's getting machine polished anyway. And when I wash the car, I don't put too much pressure, so it's okay for what I'm doing. I think it's fine. I'm a car trader and not a car detailer, and with my current setup and storage, I have to keep it simple. Yeah, in the future when I'm gonna get a bigger place, I'm gonna use the 2 bucket method, but at the moment I am very limited. But I would consider a bucket with a grit guard. On the wheels, I use the brain dead fallout and the brain dead alloy wheel cleaner, and I usually apply them together because it saves me some time. And after I let it sit for a couple of minutes, I just agitate it using a brush. After I'm done with the wheels, I just go around with a drying towel and dry the car. The car is pretty much dried already. And after that, I just go around with some tar and glue removal, and I use an applicator pad to remove all the tar. Next step is the machine polishing, but because of the weather, I didn't manage to finish the whole car, so I just done the bonnet and the lights and the front bumper. Right, so this is 2 days later because the weather was shit. I think there was a storm or something and I couldn't get any work done. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to use some wash and wax instead of washing the car all over again. But to be honest, the car looks pretty good. I think it's because of the shampoo. There are no water stains from the rain or anything like that. So just need a quick wipe and then I can polish the whole car. So it's not bad. Yeah, so it's 2 minutes job. Then we're gonna dress the tires and do the interior, and that's it pretty much. Hopefully in another 3 hours it will be all done. 2 days later I started working on the car again, but the car is being parked, so all I had to do was to go around with some waterless wash and wax and give it a quick wipe before I start doing the polishing again. Bear in mind, this video was recorded before the big storm, before the Eunice, whatever it's called, but right before that one we had another storm. Can't remember the name, there are too many names to remember, but at least this time I managed to polish the whole car. And also this polish I'm using, it's all-in-one polish and it's got protection as well. It's got a wax. It takes me about an hour to polish a whole car. I remember when I first started it was taking me at least 2 or 3 hours because I was moving too slow, and obviously I'm overweight, so I'm not in a very good shape. After the polishing stage is done, just go around the car with some tire and trim restorer, and for that I use an applicator pad. Quick tip for this one, don't use too much product as you just need literally a drop. After that I just go around with some Meguiar's ceramic detailer to just give an extra protection, and I quickly dress the tires using the Brain Dead tire gloss. Right, today's another fail. We look at that wind, guys. I'm not sure if you can see it. He stopped now. It was worse earlier. So I managed to get the exterior done again, but it's about to rain now, so I have to stop again and start over tomorrow or the day after, depends of the weather. The good thing is I'm going to use the Brain Dead wash and wax, which is going to save me some time. The car has been ceramic coated now and it should be quite easy to clean it again, and then I'm going to finish the interior. But so far very happy with how this came out. Sorry for the heavy breathing, but I've been rushing to get everything done. Not really happy with this. Put some touch-up paint, but it's just, I don't know. I mean, it's a used car. If the customer doesn't like it, I'll get it painted. It's not too bad. You can't, from this distance, you can't see it at all. So let's see how it goes. But yeah, the car looks brilliant. Look at that. Shit. And I've got all my stuff here. I've got to pack up quickly, then I'll go back in. This was another 3 days later, because the weather was shit and I couldn't get any work done. So I just removed the floor mats quickly and just give it a quick hoover. Again, I have to rush everything because there was another storm coming, so I just wanted to get the car done and take the photos and put it up for sale. On the floor mats, I'm using the Brain Dead carpet cleaner, so I just hoover them before and then just spray the product and let it sit for a couple of seconds, and then just use the drill brush to agitate the dirt, and then just hoover it again, and it looks really good. I don't really have to wash it. Also, this product restores the color and I'm very happy with the results. Again, especially for my setup, it's really easy to use and it saves me a lot of time. For the interior, I'm using the Brain Dead dash cleaner and dresser. I spray the product on the dash and then just agitate it with a brush. After that, just wipe it off with a microfiber cloth. For the vents, I'm using again that tiny tool, which helps a lot, makes life easier. I'm using exactly the same process for the central console. And like I said, the interior was pretty clean, so basically this car only needed a refresh. Engine bay was pretty clean as well, but I just sprayed it with some dash cleaner and dresser and gave it a quick wipe. And finally, I'm almost done with this car after 3 attempts. Only one stage left, and that is to clean the glass, and I'm using the Brain Dead glass cleaner, and job done. Now I'm going to be showing you the photos I've been using for the ad. I advertise only on Auto Trader and Facebook Marketplace. I don't use eBay or Gumtree or anything else. It's just I found these two to work well for me, and it's not worth the hassle, to be honest with you. So I've put the car up for 4495, and I already got a few inquiries and I already booked a few viewings, so hopefully by the time this video goes up the car will be gone. So for 4495 the car was in the fair price bracket, and I decided to drop it by £100 and be in the good price bracket, and that was before I booked the viewings. So after I dropped it by £100 and it went to good price bracket, all of a sudden I started getting inquiries on the car. I paid £2,200 for the car. Delivery costed me around £30 because I had to go by Uber and collect the car. I bought this car privately, by the way. For the service, warranty and advertising I paid £429, and the car owes me £2,659, which means it's going to bring me a profit of £1,736, which it's not bad. I remember when I used to work 2 months for these wages. I also done a video for the car, which you're going to be seeing in a couple of seconds. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, and if you like my content, please subscribe to the channel.